Today we're running a 1963 Mercury 110, 9.8 horsepower. I'm on Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey, hanging out with the Knuckle Buster chapter of the Antique Outboard Motor Club. This engine I picked up a few years ago, and it was on its way to the scrapyard. I was at a dry swap meet, and a guy had pulled up with a U-Haul truck full of antique outboards and classic outboards, and he sold what he could, and then the rest of it, he said whatever goes back in the truck is going to the scrapyard. So I had to save it. So $15 later, here I am. I didn't even clean it up, but I did service it. Normal service, cooling system, fuel system, all the normal stuff. And now that I'm using it, I fell in love. So I think I'm going to refinish the whole thing, because it's not quite clean enough for my liking, but it runs great. So let's go for a ride. Get the Mercury Blues. Gotta fix that too. Probably has some sticky old grease in the recoil. It's an easy fix. So these early 9.8s, the shifter works opposite. So up is forward. How could you throw this out? So I asked the guy what he wanted for it. He said, "Oh, you can have it. I'm going to throw it out anyway." I gave him $15 just out of guilt. These are great. So very easy to service. The parts are all available for them. I resealed the gear case, put an impeller in it, clean and set the points, replaced the condensers. The coils are original and they seem fine. Cleaned the carburetor, changed the fuel pump diaphragm, and threw it in the tank, and it ran. And that was a few years ago. And then today I just took it off the rack and said, "Oh, I'm gonna try this one," and it runs great. So don't pass these up. This is one worth fixing and keeping. And they kept the same engine from, I'm gonna say 61, 62, all the way up to 85. It was the same power head and basically the same midsection and stuff. They changed the shifter a little bit. Of course, they went through several generations of cowlings on them and a couple different carburetors and a couple different ignitions, but it's really the same engine. All right, so pick one up, fix it, and use it. Run them if you got them.